Hey y'all, I am back with another cleaning video using the Bissell steam mop. This time I am coming to you from my master bathroom. I did a video recently where I cleaned various spots in my kitchen, took you along for the ride. I will pop up a card if you want to see that video. I did say that I would use this in various rooms of the house, testing how well it does the job in all sorts of spaces and areas, and thought I would take you along for the ride today. We're going to tackle the shower, toilets, sinks, so soap scum, water stains, maybe even a little mold, and let's just see how well this guy performs. Okay, let's go. Okay, as far as accessories go, just wanted to show you what I'm going to be using today. I will use the brush, and I will definitely be using this. This looks like a squeegee, and I have glass doors, and I'm also going to try this also on the glass doors. So this is what I will be using along with just the plain steam and a microfiber cloth. Let's go. Okay, so I started off cleaning today using the brush attachment to tackle the hard water stains that show up in the corners of our shower. We have very hard water, and in the corners, especially on the glass doors, it's apparently obvious that there's a very hard water stain, so I thought I would just use the steam and scrubbing brush, and I was pretty impressed. You really have to scrub and muscle it in, but as you can see, it does a pretty decent job. So I finished up the hard water stains in the corners of the glass doors, and I kept the brush attachment on, and this time I moved on to the grout because I saw a lot of videos where people said this is amazing in cleaning grout, and I wanted to see for myself. So as you see here, you're going to see little grime and probably soap scum coming right out of the grout, and that was super satisfying. So I definitely recommend this for grout cleaning without chemicals. Did remove the brush and went over the grout one more time just by shooting it with steam just to see what that would do, and it really just cleans it up nicely. Highly recommend. Moving right along, using this cloth attachment, I really went to work on both the shower walls and the glass because I just wanted to see how well it cleaned. Usually I would use a scrubber brush in these areas, but that is kind of harsh even though it's tile, and this did a really nice job. It moved over the tiles very smoothly. It didn't get caught up into the grout. It just did a really nice job, and it was a very easy way to clean. So I tried the squeegee attachment, and it works on glass doors, obviously. This was very hard to film using the squeegee, holding the camera, holding the steam shot, but I have to say I was not impressed. I ended up having to use my larger squeegee overall just to get the windows clean. So it's a small one. I wouldn't recommend it if you have really large glass doors. So then I took off that cloth attachment and I just used the regular old steam with a microfiber cloth just so I can see how it would disinfect and overall how it would clean without using any of the attachments. And it was very nice. It's just a good way to disinfect a space and clean without chemicals. You can use it on the handles of your shower. You can use it in the grout again, just on the plain old tile, you know, many spots, and it works very well. Countertops. I did these in my last video, so I'm just going to go over them quickly. I know they work really well on granite. This will be no different. I'm sure there are water stains, hard to see in this lighting, but I'm just going to run over my cabinets really quick and give them a good steam clean. I showed a close-up of the granite cleaning in my kitchen video, but it does an amazing job of just getting all of the stains up off of granite every time with just a cloth and the steam. Okay, so countertops are looking good. I'm happy how shiny they are. I definitely would recommend this. No chemical cleaning, does a great job. Okay, one thing that I'm going to try is the sinks area and see how well it does. So let's do it. Okay, full disclosure, I completely forgot to use the brush attachment it came with, and I used my standard cleaning brushes for the bathroom. Next time I will definitely try the attachment. It's my first time using it, so I did forget. Okay, not bad at all. Looks nice and clean and shiny. It wasn't really that dirty to begin with, but good job overall. Okay, so I'm going into this is our guest bathroom that we have attached to a guest room we have in our house. This bathroom is not used very often at all, only when we have guests, and my main toilet area was clean, so I thought I would just do this one. We are going to tackle the toilet, we're going to tackle the shower, and we're going to see, and the countertops. Let's see how it works. This is a toilet that is not used very often. It's probably dusty, if anything. So let's just see what kind of a job this would do on a toilet area. Okay. Overall, this is very easy to use on a toilet, to just spray it on the back of the seat and wipe it down and around the rim. I even tried to spray in the bowl because we have some hard water stains, and just overall very easy to use. Can you guys see that like yellow line? It's like a hard water line from dripping. I'm going to try to see if this will get it out. No, it doesn't look like it. So I know hard water is going to be an issue for me, but overall it cleans up a toilet area very nicely, and all the little crooks and crevices, especially near the base where it can get pretty disgusting, especially if you have boys, if you know what I mean. This is a great way to disinfect and wipe this area down without using a ton of chemicals, and it's really easy. The steam is a lot of pressure and it just pushes it all out, so I highly recommend it. Here is the bathtub, and like our main bathtub, this isn't very used. So I tried it in the corners, and surprisingly, the corners that had some soap scum and dust, it really cleaned it up nice. There was one particular corner that had body wash sitting there, and it was kind of scummy, and so it did do a nice job picking up all of the residue. But not least, I went over a little bit of the countertop so you could see how it does on a different surface. This is corian, not granite, and it does a great job. Steam does a great job on countertops. Okay, all in all, it did fine on the countertops. It did fine in the toilet. There still are the hard water stains from just this toilet water sitting for days and days. If anybody knows how to get rid of that, please let me know. It did really, really well. There was some soap residue on the corners of the bathtub here, and it did really well with that. Got them nice and clean without chemicals. I was happy about that. The tub itself, it did a fine job, and I haven't done the tiles yet, but I know it'll do great on these tiles as it did in the master bath. As for the toilet, did great. It did the dusty underneath part that everybody hates cleaning. And so, yeah, I'm pretty happy with, for no chemicals, I'm pretty happy. Okay, so just a recap. I thought it did a great job here in the master bath. I was happy with all of the surfaces I was able to clean. I'm still a fan, still 5 out of 5 stars, still would recommend this. You can get this online anywhere, and I look forward to cleaning the next room and bringing you along. Thank y'all so much for watching. Take care. Bye. If you love saving money just like me, you will love my printable website, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. These videos are always sponsored by my company, where you can get printables for all sorts of occasions: birthdays, weddings, wine, gift decor, planning, organization, teacher, and much more. Check it out, Print-A-Party.com with the dashes. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.